Hello everyone, how have you been? Welcome back to Eric's Gibberish. In this video, we are going to take a look at the various essentials and accessories that you will require for the research, design and development of electronic systems at your electronics design and development workstation. This video is a part of a series of videos that I call Essential Tools and Instruments for an Electronics Workstation. Make sure to watch all of them. The links to the videos are given in the description section below. And if you've not subscribed the channel already, then do it right away so that you get notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. Hey electronic system designers, all set for a super duper product creation? Great! Here's a list of the essentials and accessories that will help you with its design and development. So let's begin. General purpose PCBs. They are available in two types mainly, zero boards with multiple dots or holes and Vero boards or strip boards with multiple lines or tracks. These boards are also available as either single-sided or double-sided with print-through holes. They generally come with a spacing of 0.1 inch or 2.54 mm between the holes and tracks, the same separation the pins of regular DIP ICs and many other components are spaced at. The connections between the various components of the circuit can be made using wires or solder flows. The materials commonly used to make these PCBs are paper phenolic, usually brown in color, relatively inferior, or glass epoxy, which I would recommend, usually green in color, much superior with high insulation and low water absorption properties. The advantages of using general purpose PCB are that they are cheap and easily available, can be used for the small scale production of lesser complicated electronic circuits, can be used for testing out new circuit ideas or to build prototypes before making the final production, can be used to build an add-on circuit to an existing PCB that requires a modification, and very useful when time constraints forbid a customized PCB layout to be designed. Breadboard. The breadboard is a solderless device used to build prototypes and lesser complicated electronic circuits. It has a number of holes or sockets into which you can insert most components, devices and modules. Breadboards are available in various sizes, and they have these tabs and notches on the sides using which you can snap or join multiple boards together. The advantage of using a breadboard is that the connections between the various components of the circuit built on the breadboard are not permanent, and hence the breadboard can be reused many a times to construct various circuits and prototypes. The limitations of using breadboards though are that components with large pin or lead sizes cannot be directly inserted into the breadboard. It is lesser reliable to build a circuit on a breadboard as compared to building it on a general purpose PCB. Breadboards have limited voltage and current handling capacities. And finally, due to its large parasitic capacitances and inductances, the use of breadboards is limited to frequencies only up to around 10 MHz. Single strand wires, also known as breadboard wires. These wires were probably designed specifically for the breadboards. They are very stiff, making it easy to push or insert them into the breadboard holes. Here I have a collection of them in a variety of lengths and colors. Jumper wires. These are a very useful essential to make temporary links or connections in prototypes as well as in finished products. Like the single strand wires, they too can be used on breadboards. The ends of these wires are either pins or males, or sockets or females, making three types of jumper wires available: male to male, female to female, and male to female. Crocodile clips, also known as alligator clips with wires. Its design is very similar to that of a spring-loaded clothespin, and its name is such due to the resemblance of its jaws to that of a crocodile or an alligator. Available in various sizes like these standard size clips or the miniature ones that are comparatively smaller in size. These clips prove very useful at making temporary electrical connections between components, devices, modules, etc., and come with such colored plastic boots to prevent an accidental short circuit. Multistrand wires. General purpose wires for interconnection purposes. Here I have a collection of them in a variety of lengths and colors. Engineer's pocketbooks. These pocketbooks can be considered as a cross between an engineering dictionary and an engineering encyclopedia. In this collection of the pocketbooks that I have, my favorite and the most utilized is this one, the Radio and Electronics Engineer's Pocketbook. Very handy as a quick reference source, especially for electronic system design and development. Such books are not that popular though in today's world, with the easy access that we have to the internet and the information it holds. And finally, a computer. Although the last essential on this list, it's probably the most important one too. Recommended installed with essential and handy software such as a PCB layout and designing software, a software for the transmission, reception and recording of serial communication data, an image editing software, a spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, a scientific calculator, etc. Make sure though that you always have a flash drive or a portable hard drive handy and back up your hard work on a regular basis. I have made this entire list available for download in case you want to add it to your forthcoming shopping wish list. The link to it is given in the description section below. And here's a quick question for you. Knowing the easy access that we have to the internet today, would you still consider purchasing the Engineer's Pocketbooks? Do leave your answer in the comment section below. Would be interesting to know. Also let me know if there is any essential or accessory which you feel deserved a place on this list that I may have missed out at mentioning or may have been less privileged to have in my toolkit. So that's all we have for this video. Hope you found it informative and helpful. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to get the notifications for my latest uploads. And if you have any questions or suggestions over this video, then do drop them in the comment section below. And remember, a book that is closed is but a block of wood. Thanks for watching. I'm Eric. Until my next gibberish, bye bye.